Hello, this is Unbeatable broiler starter feed formula that you will feed your chicken from 0 day to 3 weeks. If you have the mind to prepare this kind of feed, in fact, your chickens, they will be saluting you. You get the best results. I'm going to give you this formula. Please, I don't have strength to stand to write on the whiteboard. Please, I will call the feed formula for you. This is Unbeatable feed formula. If the commercial feed makers produce this feed for you, you will not spend less than 30,000 naira to buy this feed. This is the starter formula, Unbeatable starter feed formula. One, the crude protein is 24% crude protein. The metabolizable energy is 3,200 calories per kg. Then the fat is 5.5%. That is the fat, crude fat. Now, this feed will help you to maximize your broiler weight. The high protein in this feed from soya bean, fish meal, blood meal, groundnut cake support fast muscle growth. Then the high energy from the corn and vegetable oil helps birds reach market weight faster. Then strong bone from the bone meal, premise, lysine, and mental union content prevent leg injuries or leg problems. This paralysis or spraddle leg, this one your birds after growing for some time, they will not be able to walk. They will now walk as if you want to give them clutches. You will not experience this kind of thing with this kind of formula. The balanced fiber from wheat offal aids digestion without reducing feed efficiency. So this is what this particular feed formula is going to give you. So right now, take your pen and copy down this formula one after the other. I don't have enough strength to write on the board. Or now, I don't have. Let me sit down. Let me dictate the formula for you. One is corn. Either you call it corn or you call it maize. Please, if you see the yellow maize in your area, use yellow maize for me. Corn or maize, yellow, 50% or 50 kg. Then soya bean meal, SBM, use 28% or 28 kg of it. You are now making 100 kg of it. That is about 4 bags of it at a time. Groundnut cake meal, not full fat. Please use 5% or 5 kg for me. Then animal blood meal, use 2% for me, please. For animal blood meal, 2%. Bone meal, as I explained to you, for calcium, for strong bones, so that they will not have any leg issue. Their growth will not affect their movement. Bone meal, please use 2% for me or 2 kg. Then wheat offal, this is waste from wheat. Wheat offal, please use 2% or 2 kg for me. Then vegetable oil, I can use either groundnut oil or any of the vegetable oil at all. Use 2% or 2 liters for me. Then salt, please use 0.3% or 0.3 kg. That is 300 grams. Or that's what it means. Premise, here now you are using broiler starter premise. Premise, use 0.5% for me. Then lysine, use 0.1% for me. Methionine, use 0.1% for me. This particular formula gives you 24% crude protein, 3,100 calories per kilogram of energy, metabolizable energy. That's what this particular formula gives you. And you are going to get massive results. Then the next formula is loading very soon. Please don't go far. And that formula is on broiler finisher feed. Using ingredients I'm going to mention for you. It's loading very soon, please. And it will be amazing broiler finisher feed that no one will ever show you except me, that loves all my fans. So watch that formula and make sure you watch. Copy out the formula. This feed has been formulated already. So I don't want to stand up and write on the whiteboard, please. That's why I gave you this formula. So take time and copy it out Make use of this formula and come back and tell me result you witness in your comment section. Please, thank you for watching. Till I come your way with another test loading very soon. Please, for now, drop your comment. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section. I will answer the question for you. And if you have any ingredients that you can't see in your location, tell me on the comment section. I will replace it with another ingredient that have a substitute to that particular one for you. Thank you for watching. Till the next topic is loaded. For now, I say bye.